Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to promote affiliate links on Facebook groups. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're wondering how do you actually promote affiliate links in Facebook, well this one is kind of tricky. So there's a lot of factors that you should consider here before you actually share certain links on Facebook groups because you don't want to be considered or marked as spam. So first thing that we need to do here is determine where are we going to get our affiliate links. So in this case, in this video, we'll be using ClickBank, which is a really cool platform wherein you'll be able to get your affiliate links for free. So what we need to do here is we first have to go to the section for getting your links. So let's go to the affiliate marketplace here. And from here, it's going to load up the marketplace wherein you'll be able to choose the type of links or products that you want to basically sell or offer. Now, in this case, at the left side here, we have the all option here. And from here, you'll be able to see different categories or different types of products that you might want to consider selling. Like, for example, if you want to focus on e-business or e-marketing, cooking, or food and wine, or in this case, we have games as well. Now, in this case, go ahead and determine what type of products that you want to sell first. So in this case, let's choose games and we want to click on view all games. So there are different things that we could do here or different products that we could basically access. So in this case, we have this first product here, which is the average conversion rate here is around $12.50. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and search for the product. Then again, you should consider what type of products or it actually is going to be part of your product set. Now, in this case, let's go ahead and choose a product. Like, for example, this one, Duji World of Warcraft's Guides. Maybe you want to use this one. In this case, what we need to do here is let's just click on the promote option here. And we want to add a affiliate name here as well as a tracking ID if you want to add this one, but this one is optional. Now, for now, let's just click on create hop link. And from here, we could go ahead and copy the link itself. Now, in this case, we could go ahead and just share this to different Facebook groups. But as you can see, the link that I actually copied is very long and we don't want to basically make it a spam. Like, for example, I'm going to type it in here. And here, the link is very long and we don't want that. So we need to shorten this one. So there's a lot of platforms there that you could use to basically shorten your links. So if you go to google.com and just type in shorten links here, you'll see different platforms like short URL, tiny URL, and a lot more. Now in this case, if you want to use short URL option here, just click on it, paste your link here, click on shorten URL, and from here, just wait for it to process it, and from here, just copy your URL. As you can see, it's a lot shorter than before. It's really long before. Now from here, let's go back into Facebook. Now, since we already have the appropriate link, or we already have the appropriate assets here, let's go ahead and go to groups here. And from here, let's just leave this one since our previous edit here. And from here, we could go ahead and search for groups. Now in this case, since we are in the game category, I would suggest type in game here, or basically search for groups that includes World of Warcrafts. Now in this case, let's go ahead and just go search for games here. From here, choose a group that you want to post into. Like for example, these groups are public, so meaning anyone can post on this specific group. And from here, what you need to do is just start posting. Now in this case, let's just click on the group here and write something option, paste your link here, but don't just press or enter or paste your link here. Make sure that you give a brief explanation about the product or the product that you're selling here. Like for example, if you click on the product itself here, it's going to redirect you to the actual page for that, and as you can see, it's going to give you more information on what the product is and a lot more. So you could go ahead and just paraphrase all the information you have here. You could even copy all of the information that you see here, paste it on ChatGPT if you have access to it, and from there just ask ChatGPT make a summary or make a post about something about this one. And from here, you could go ahead and paste all the details that you want. Like for example, we want to say, in here, insert, you want to insert your details. And from here at the very bottom, we want to go ahead and say, check this link here. And from here, you could go ahead and start posting. Now, the only and important things that you should be considering here is the type of products. Again, choose the products that you want to sell or you want to promote, as well as the products that or the target audience that you want to target. Like for example, for games, make sure that you target gamers. For health and beauty, make sure you target groups that are about health and beauty. So don't be random about the products or the topics that you'll be posting. Make sure that you be strategic about this one. But in case that you don't want to be marked as spam, because you don't want to spam this on every group that you see for games, well, there's another way. So if you go to the people section here, you could go ahead and visit them. Like for example, this user here just visit, or this user here just entered or just joined this group. We could go ahead and go to their profile here, and we could go ahead and just message them. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and share them your link, the information that you have right now, and hopefully they would actually buy the product. And from there, you'll be able to probably earn. So yeah, so that's what we have for today. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.